So we'll agree the next steps with the client, what we'll do, the time frames and what's expected. We'll start off with a digital concept. So we'll use the CAD software, the computer-aided design software, to produce a digital design, a 3D model which we can turn around in space and look at with the client to ensure that it fits the brief, it fills the needs that they need. Once we've hit that stage and they're happy with it, now there may be one or two different designs that we do, one or two different concepts, we'll work out which best fits what they need. Then we will look at doing the full engineering designs, where it's filling in the gaps, the spaces. Once we get to the engineering design, that gives the details, the critical dimensions, the tolerancing, the fits, to ensure that various components within a design can come together and work to give the solution that's needed. That will give dimension drawings which we can use on the machine tools to manufacture the parts and bring them together.